Hello, and welcome to another episode of I Demand a Homestead. My name is Amanda, and today what we're going to do is we're going to check and see whether our queen bee has been released on the Beehive hive where we just installed a bee package about 3 days ago. Okay, so if you want to go back and check the video on that, you'll be able to see how we installed the package. But today what we want to do is check and make sure that the queen bee has been released. I think she has been, because they're bringing pollen into the hive, which is usually a sign that the queen bee is laying. But we're just going to open up the hive and check just to make sure. Okay? So I'll get all geared up. The queen cage is, and I put an extra box on here with some sugar syrup, so I'll probably take that off first. The queen cage is in between these two boxes here, so that's where I'm going to check. This is my little top feeder I'm using to give them syrup, sugar syrup. Just make sure this box is loose. Here's our queen cage. And it is empty. They have successfully let her out. Okay, so if they hadn't, what you can do, not so easily, is you can just open this, and that way they can let her out. Okay, and then she'll walk into the hive. But they've already done that, and I kind of thought they had, so that's good. All right, so we will put this back on. Right. Okay. Okay, and they were pretty relaxed. I didn't need to use any smoke or anything. I have it with me just in case, but we didn't need to do any of that, so that was great. So, thank you for joining me on another episode of I Demand a Homestead. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to put them in the comment section. If you like this video, please feel free to press the subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.